Hey there, welcome back to PMN Online. Today I will walk you through how to prevent viewers from downloading, printing, or copying in Google Drive. We all value the privacy and security of our digital files, and sometimes we want to ensure that our shared documents remain protected from unauthorized actions like downloading, printing, or copying. Maybe you're sharing sensitive information or a draft that isn't ready for public release. In such cases, controlling how others interact with your files becomes crucial. In this video, we'll explore how you can easily manage these permissions in Google Drive to keep your documents safe and sound. Let's dive right into the steps you need to follow. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive. Once you're in, locate the specific file you want to protect. It's important to ensure you've selected the right file, especially if you have multiple files with similar names or content. Double-checking at this stage can save you from accidentally applying restrictions to the wrong document. After confirming it's the correct file, right-click on it. This will open up a menu with various options. From this menu, select the Share option. Doing so will bring up the Sharing dialog, which is the central hub for managing how your files are accessed by others. Now, within this Sharing dialog, direct your attention to the top right corner. There, you'll find a small gear icon, which represents the Settings menu. This icon can be easy to miss because of its size, so make sure you spot it and click on it. Clicking this icon opens up more detailed sharing settings where you have greater control over how your file is shared. In this settings area, look for a specific option labeled something like Viewers and commenters can see the option to download, print, and copy. You'll notice there's a checkbox next to this statement. To prevent viewers and commenters from downloading, printing, or copying your document, simply uncheck this box. By doing so, you effectively restrict these actions, adding an extra layer of security to your file. Once you've unchecked the box, it's crucial to click the Save button. This step ensures that your changes are applied. Otherwise, your efforts will go to waste. After saving, click Done to exit the Settings menu. And there you have it. Your file is now protected from unwanted downloads, prints, and copies by viewers or commenters. However, it's important to note that while these restrictions are strong, they aren't foolproof. Determined individuals might still find ways to capture the content, such as taking screenshots. Additionally, if you wish to extend these restrictions to individuals with editor access, you'll need to adjust their permissions separately, as editors have more comprehensive access by default. Hopefully, this tutorial on PMN Online helped you understand how to prevent viewers from downloading, printing, or copying in Google Drive quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like this one, be sure to subscribe.